This 2026 Forest River Sunseeker La 2350LE Chevy is a Class C RV. It is located in West Seneca, New York, 14224 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Buffalo. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 25 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 6 and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features Bunk Over Cab, U-shaped dinette. This 2026 Forest River Sunseeker La 2350LE Chevy is built on a Chevy 3500 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.